I have two pieces of footage here on two different tracks. If I hide the upper one, you will see this is the effect that I want to show. So I want to do a before and after. So we're going to close that again. So both of these are exactly the same. The bottom one just has some color correction, so it looks a little bit better. So let's click so that both of them are visible. Go over into effects, take crop, and drag that crop and drag it right onto the upper clip. Make sure you're at the beginning of the timeline. Go here where it says crop. You're going to click that little toggle animation. You'll notice that it's at 0%. Go over here to about 10 seconds and then drag with your mouse and just pull that over just like that. And that's it. Go to the beginning, hit your space bar, and now you can see the reveal. And that is how easy it is to do a before and after effect in Premiere Pro.